Hey everyone, and welcome to Facts Reviews. Today we're diving underground, virtually of course, to learn about some fascinating creatures often associated with shadows and weather predictions. Groundhogs. But forget the folklore for a minute, because these chunky charmers have way more to offer than just seeing their shadow. Get ready for some fun facts that might surprise you. 1. Masters of tunnels. Did you know groundhogs are champion diggers? Their powerful claws can carve elaborate burrow systems reaching up to 50 feet long. These underground mansions have multiple entrances, escape tunnels, and even a dedicated bathroom chamber. Talk about home improvement skills. 2. Not just couch potatoes. Sure, they nap for months during hibernation, but when they're awake, groundhogs are surprisingly athletic. They're agile climbers, scaling trees with ease and even decent swimmers. This versatility helps them escape predators and explore their environment. 3. Family first. Groundhogs are social creatures, living in family groups led by a dominant female. They even babysit each other's young, forming a supportive community underground. 4. Gormans of the garden. These vegetarians have quite the appetite, munching on grasses, herbs, and even cultivated crops like carrots and corn. This can sometimes put them at odds with gardeners, but hey, gotta eat. 5. Beyond Punxsutawney Phil. While Punxsutawney Phil might be the most famous groundhog, he's not the only one predicting the weather, sort of. In other parts of the country, local groundhogs make their own weather forecasts with varying degrees of accuracy. It's all in good fun. 6. Misunderstood Monics. Despite their burrowing habits, groundhogs can actually play an important role in the ecosystem. Their tunnels aerate the soil, and their waste provides valuable nutrients. They're also a food source for predators like foxes and owls. 7. Super senses. Despite their small eyes, groundhogs boast an impressive sense of smell, helping them locate food and navigate their complex burrow systems. They can even hear predators approaching from afar, thanks to their keen sense of hearing. 8. Hibernate Champions. Groundhogs are true masters of the snooze. During hibernation, their body temperature drops dramatically, their heart rate slows to a snail's pace, and they basically live off stored fat. Talk about energy efficiency. So there you have it. Groundhogs are more than just shadow-casting weather forecasters. They're skilled diggers, adaptable athletes, and social creatures with an important role in the ecosystem. Next time you see one, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye. What's your favorite fun fact about groundhogs? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal adventures.